Hi guys, VST here, welcome back on my channel, Venus Tech. It's been really time for Samsung to finally push the blood pressure application to a variety of countries, guys. So really it's been time. I'm gonna test right now and download all the updates. I want to test if I'm really gonna get the blood pressure on my Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. This should also apply for the Watch 3. If you have been watching my channel, you know that I put a lot of videos up on how to sideload the blood pressure application and also the ECG app on our beloved Samsung Galaxy Active 2, which I have on my hand here, and also the Watch 3, because first these applications only worked for the Korean market, and then some of those, like the ECG, also appeared in the US after the proper certification. What I'm showing right now on the screen is the latest version that I have, so One UI Watch version 2.0, Tizen version 5502, this here is the software version DOA3, NOx, and etc. And I can really show you guys, I have right now working ECG on my watch without doing anything, but I don't really have the blood pressure. Earlier this year, on the 26th of January, less than a month, Samsung really expressed their idea to put also the blood pressure and the electrocardiogram for a lot of other countries. So right now, this is really the press announcement, guys. Samsung Health Monitor app received a CE marking in late December last year, which enabled the service to expand to another 28 European countries. I live in Bulgaria, so this is what I'm going to be testing right now. This CE marking is kind of the certification that was also achieved, I guess, in Korea and also the United States. And right now, this is the full list of countries that should get blood pressure and also ECG. Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland. You see them all. I'm gonna put this list down below into the video description and also a link down to the Samsung press release. You need to go and open the Galaxy Store, and inside Galaxy Store you're gonna see that there is an update on Samsung Health and also on the Samsung Health Monitor. So apparently I'm just hoping and crossing my fingers the blood pressure application is gonna get pushed to the Samsung Health Monitor. So I'm just gonna press update all. While updating, I'm just gonna show you on my watch that I don't have the blood pressure. So if I go inside my watch, guys, you can see that I have only the electrocardiogram, but I don't really have the blood pressure. Let me show also the other icons. So let's see what happens. Don't worry if you get this message, could not install app. The only reason is that we are using right now a modded version to really get this working. So we need first to remove the modded version and try to install again. Going into my Samsung folder and trying to uninstall Samsung Health Monitor. Now, please make sure that you do a backup because all of your readings apparently are gonna go away. If you didn't, go back to the Galaxy Store and trying to install the Samsung Health Monitor once more. We have now installed Samsung Health Monitor, and if you have been following my channel closely, you know that when you open Samsung Health Monitor, you should get two tabs. One tab is to calibrate the blood pressure, and the second one is used for the ECG readings. So let's press accept right now, okay? Oh, permissions, okay. Blood pressure, electrocardiogram. Let's press done here. Right now I can put here some information. All right. Oh, okay. Blood pressure, ECG, but no compatible watch file. Now, after a long battle, guys, I remembered that I have been using actually the US firmware XARCC on my watch. So what I did, I went back and I uploaded the combination firmware for Tizen 5.5. I went back to Tizen 4 stock firmware, now updating a lot of firmwares to get back to the BGL for my country. Right now I'm downloading the DUA7. The latest one is DUA8, where apparently the blood pressure and the ECG will work with the Samsung Health downloaded here. So let me just see how this works and test this together with you. So guys, finally, after so many times going back and forth, installing different ROMs and regions and etc., now I have the official Samsung Health Monitor, and apparently I have the blood pressure and also the ECG. I was just able to finalize my calibration, and I just wanted to show something that I see for the first time. When you open your applications, sideloading the blood pressure TPK and the ECG TPK, you're gonna get like two different apps. This one is for the ECG and another one like with a heart for the BPK. Right now I was wondering where is my blood pressure, but when you open this one for the ECG, you actually see here Samsung Health Monitor and you have the blood pressure and the ECG inside. So that's something I think not seen into the other version. Right now we can see we have a label here. We have the blood pressure application version, which is 110037, and we have also the ECG application 110037, all from the January 2021. Now again, something interesting, I was not able to find the Samsung Health Monitor inside the Galaxy stored for a reason. So I'm gonna put the link down below to the latest APK I was able to find online. This is of course the official Samsung health monitor. Let me just show you guys. I mean, if you don't believe me, I'm just gonna do like this. I'm just gonna go to blood pressure and I can immediately initiate a measurement. All right, so the wait is really over. After so many tweaks and hacks and forum reads, now you can enjoy blood pressure and ECG if you live in one of those 30 countries that are mentioned into the Samsung post. I hope you do like this video, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna stop the measurement because you know when you are measuring your blood pressure, one shall not move or speak. Again, thumbs up if you like the video, guys, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.